If you want to talk about affordable, look at Thor's new scope. Wet shower.
This, I believe, is the sink.
You're right.
Yep.
This is our new Play SRT that we've introduced at the 2022 show.
It's great to see those 3 little windows on display.
If you've been watching our videos from the RV show in Tampa, you know that there's a lot of them that are really expensive, but don't lose heart, there are some that are affordable. If you want to talk about affordable, look at Thor's new scope.
$79,995. Let's take a look.
All right.
Okay, this is on the Ram 1500 chassis. Here's a quick look at the floor plan. I think it's about 18 feet long, and we have people in there, so we won't go in, but we will show you. There's the cab, the passenger seat turns around, there's a bed there.
Colors to choose from.
This is the refrigerator.
Floor plans to choose from.
Galley.
Bathroom in the back.
And it looks like
Should we walk around to the back?
It looks like this this makes out into a bed, and there's a table that's go right there, a lagoon table. So you got a table, and we'll go around to the back. Bike rack, nice bike rack on the back. Bathroom is in the back.
And the sink, you have to pull it up to use it as a sink and open it up.
This is the sink. Pulls up, you can use it. Or actually, I think this is the sink right here.
Wet shower.
This, I believe, is the sink.
You're right.
Yep, I'm right on. That's the sink. Lots of storage for the bathroom. See that? Here's the drawers. Big drawers. Really nice.
Even the cabinet.
And you have a shower and a little cabinet.
Very nice.
18 feet, it's not long.
Good use of space.
What's that?
Good use of space.
And here's another Thor short RV built, Class B, built on the Ram 1500 ProMaster chassis. This one is brand new. It's called the Rise. Kind of similar. There's a shower in the back.
Hello.
And exact same bathroom as we saw on the previous. And what do we have out here?
We've got a sink. We have 2 burners, a Dometic, gas, propane. Storage spaces.
There's a little lagoon table there for you could eat on it or use it to do your remote work. This is the Thor Rise.
This one costs just a little bit more. The price is $86,995. Super show price. Normally $89. With everything open again, Roadtrek is back, and they're even introducing a new model.
Canada, Mike Williams with Roadtrek. How are you, man?
Hey, good to see you both. Good to be back in Tampa for 2022. It's nice. Weather's beautiful. A lot better than Alberta. That being said, this is our new Play SRT that we've introduced at the 2022 show. And we're really excited about it. And have a look and give me your thoughts as well.
And what's the price of this unit?
This one, the manufacturing suggested retail price is $115. They do have some specials here, of course, at the show. I leave that to the dealer, but that's the MSRP on it, $115.
Roadtrek is an affordable RV motorhome.
Absolutely. Yes. That's why we came out with the Play lineup. Yeah. The Play lineup is just with the normal AGM batteries and prep for solar. Underhood generator, still has a 3,000 watt inverter, but it is affordable.
I really think you're on the right track here, because we hear from the people that follow us all the time that they want something affordable. They don't want all the bells and whistles. Maybe later on they'll move up or whatever, but they want to get in. They want to get out there. Before we go in and look at the Play, how did Roadtrek get this spot? I think this is the best spot in the whole area.
Looks like they're on a lake.
It is like they're on their own private lake. Let's go look.
You might be wondering what Play SRT stands for. It stands for Short Roadtrek, because it's on the 19-foot Dodge Ram chassis. A very maneuverable, small chassis, and yet lots of room in here. No frills, but affordable and pretty livable. Come take a look.
This is the rear sofa, and may I say that it is comfortable. It's nice and cushiony. It makes into a near king-size bed. So lots of room back here, windows, very nice, look around. This is a wardrobe, so a good space to hang your clothes. We've got a good sized refrigerator, freezer up at the top, and a pantry. Like a pantry. Pantries are good to have. We have some storage, drawer. What do we got down here? Got pipes and things down there. More storage under here. This is a lot of storage for such a small vehicle. A drawer. Put your divider in there for your utensils. We've got our sink. Lots of storage for such a small unit. And this looks like it's propane. 2-burner propane. We move up. When you walk in the door, here's the bathroom, and I actually like that plan so people don't traipse through with their dirty feet. And everything you need. You've got your sink, you've got your shower, and your toilet. Everything you need. Just pull the curtain around when you decide to take a shower. The passenger chair swivels around so you've got extra seating when you need it. This, for $115,000, is very comfortable, very affordable, and it's a thumbs up.
It's great to see those 3 little windows on display here. That's what Roadtrek is so well known for, and it's neat to see them back like this at the show with affordable RVs. Hey, we're Mike and Jennifer. We hope you enjoyed this video. Should they give us a thumbs up?
I think they should give us a thumbs up, and they should subscribe as well.
Yeah, and when you do so, click the bell icon, and then you'll be notified when new videos are online. Thanks for watching.
Happy trails.